Hello, this is a nursing assistant.
Hi, this is Ed's granddaughter.
Okay, hi. Did you want to talk to him?
I would love to.
Okay, and what's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
And my name's Teddy.
Sarah's on the phone. You want to talk to her? He's a little sleepy. He's in a nap.
Should I? Oh, I can call back later. That's fine.
He goes back off.
Okay. Do you know, would it be better to call him in an hour or two?
Yeah, you want to try again in an hour?
Sure. Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much. And what's your name?
Alicia.
Thank you, Miss Alicia.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Mommy!
What?
That looks fierce. Look!
Yeah.
I see so much rain.
It's amazing.
It's like this big.
Wow.
Oh no. That's 1.5. Oh my goodness. That's hard. I see a river. Boy. Oh, boy. I'm gonna check through here. Okay. Everything seems fine. Okay, no. Let's try the rainbow one. Very nice. Okay. Yeah. It's raining hard. We should turn the heater on. It's gonna go leak a little. Boy, is that crazy?
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mrs.
Well, since watching, I can tell you are
Look at the eye, Tota. Look at the egg yolk.
This is the day that the Lord has made, and we're going to rejoice in it together. Journey has our flag, so let's all
I'm gonna
stand
spread
out
it.
respect for our country.
Happy?
Thank the Lord for what He has given
Happy.
us. So this Lord has done and did have mercy on us.
How did you do that?
You're with me right now.
I just kicked him straight in the face.
That's what, guys.
Enough. I just said enough.
I don't have the same restraint Daddy has.
I'm saying black market and they moved
Yeah.
over there and they moved there.
Mom, look at him.
Stuck.
I'm gonna help.
Wait, is that one gonna push it?
Where?
Don't touch that. Don't touch that. You're very close, Teddy.
There. Again.
on camera.
Why?
You being mean is on camera. Because Daddy was offering a really nice moment right now where he was going to have his hand around you and it was really cute.
Yeah, but
and
he
you
was
freaked
holding
out.
my...
That's a dead rat.
Are those thorns?
No, go. Don't step on the dead rat.
Where's the dead rat?
Right there.
I can see its digestants. Also, yeah, I can see its digestants. What the heck is that?
That's disgusting.
There it is.
You know, don't put that in your stuff, right? No! Don't touch it.
What is that say?
Pick up your dog shit, please. Let's go.
What is this?
Because people don't pick up their shit.
Their dog poop. Diarrhea people. Diarrhea people.
It's so nice when it's cold.